Overexposure to wood dust is a serious occupational safety hazard that can cause severe breathing conditions, including asthma, decreased lung capacity, and even allergic reactions in the lungs. Therefore, as well as safety glasses, gloves, overalls, and safety boots, a high-quality dust mask is an essential piece of PPE equipment needed before any woodworking tasks. There are many products available to choose respirator mask, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best respirator masks from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 3M Respirator Mask. For ultimate protection against sawdust, vapors, and harmful fumes, get your hands on the 3M Respirator Mask. With its dual air-lined systems, this respirator mask allows you to breathe freely and comfortably while working in hazardous environments. This product has soft and comfortable edges that create a secure seal around the mouth and nose, but don't push against the cheeks. With adjustment points at both temples and the back of the head, you can easily customize it for a secure and snug fit according to your comfort level. Since this respirator mask is Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) approved, it's also less likely to clog up with dirt or grime than other products, making it more effective at protecting your lungs from irritants. Pros: soft and comfortable facepiece, easy to clean and maintain, comes in a storage bag. Cons: doesn't come with cartridges and filters. Number 2. Ruiqier Respirator Mask. The Ruiqier Respirator Mask is designed for heavy-duty workers. Constructed from food-grade silicone material, this product features a dual filter system that blocks 97% of particulates and pollutants, so you can breathe easily. It has a cold flow exhalation valve that lets out warm air and improves breathability in low ventilated areas. Its suction valve provides a secure fit and prevents the mask from moving around. With its sealing edge and snap-on design, this respirator mask has an adjustable strap, making it exceptionally convenient and easy to wear. The included safety goggles boast an anti-fog coating and splash-resistant lenses, allowing you to work with confidence. This option also comes with 2 filter boxes, 8 cotton filters, and 2 plastic covers, so there's no need to worry about running out of filters anytime soon. Pros: improved cooling, vents for better breathability. Premium quality, construction for long-lasting use. Comes with disposable filters. Cons: size might be an issue for some. Number 3. BAOMAO Respirator Mask. Are you ready to take your respiratory protection to the next level? The BAOMAO Respirator Mask is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a reliable yet comfortable mask that will give them the protection they need. Made from food-grade silicone material, this respirator mask features 2 cartridge filters that provide all-around protection from dust, bacteria, and other airborne contaminants. This half-face respirator mask comes with safety goggles that feature an anti-fog, splash-resistant, and shatterproof lens to protect your eyes from flying debris and chips. Unlike other safety goggles, this one has multiple inverted holes that improve ventilation. Designed with soft silicone molds, this option contours to the face shape and features a soft, flexible strap that makes it easy to wear and relieves pressure points. With this product, you'll also get 2 replaceable filter cartridges, 2 caps, disposable earplugs, and 6 cotton filters. Now that's what we call a great deal. Pros: food-grade silicone to minimize allergies. Adjustable headband for a snug fit. Filters gases and other particles. Comes with replacement filters. Cons: doesn't come with an instruction manual. Number 4. BGS-13 Respirator Mask. Want to protect yourself from harmful fumes, but don't want to wear a bulky mask? Then check out the BGS-13 Respirator Mask. With a full-face design, this product comes equipped with an efficient dual filter and circulating systems that reduce exposure to harmful pathogens and other chemicals while improving breathability. Just like other respirator masks on our list, this one is made from food-grade and skin-friendly silicone and plastic material, which makes it exceptionally durable and comfortable to wear. Its adjustable head strap ensures you get a snug, comfortable fit, and the elastic band provides maximum stability while working. This respirator mask includes fog-resistant safety goggles that not only add an extra layer of safety, but also help you tackle your task with confidence. Pros: rugged and skin-friendly construction. Provide optimal dust and smoke protection. Comes with adjustable safety goggles. Cons: the strap is poorly built. Number 5. Parcil Distribution Respirator Mask. A must-have for those who work in construction or industrial settings, the Parcil Distribution Respirator Mask features dual-activated charcoal filters that help eliminate airborne particles associated with mold, dust mites, pollen, and other organic fumes. Made with anti-fog circulation technology and high-quality silicone, this respirator mask has a full-face, impact-resistant face shield that offers protection against flying debris. Its airflow vent provides superior comfort and breathability. Unlike other options, this one comes with a speaking diaphragm, making it easy to communicate with coworkers. Thanks to its high-density elastic strap, you can put it on quickly. With its 5-point adjustable hat harness, you can customize the fit of this respirator mask within seconds. Because of its anti-fog technology, impact-resistant material, and easy customization, this respirator mask is the best overall product on our list. Pros. Feature a durable breathing valve. 2 cartridges for maximum protection. Lightweight and comfortable to wear. Easy pull-on closure. Cons. Not compatible with glasses. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.